Hey there growers, I'm Dylan. Welcome back to the Grow Closet. Today we're going to be talking about a company called Farmers Defense. Now, Farmers Defense makes a few different products, one of my favorite being the farmer's sleeves, or the farming sleeves. Now, I think this is a genius product because personally, when I used to have my own garden, I would, especially during harvest time, I would just break out in hives to where if I was having to trim or even just like trim up the plants before I actually harvested them, once they're in the flowering cycle, the resin would get on my arms. I'd break out in hives for a day or so, so I'd have to wear long sleeves. Now, they fixed that by making this product. So this product is especially useful if you're an outdoor grower because it has a protection of UPF 50+, and then it is made from 85% Repreve polyester. And Repreve is a company that tries to repurpose ocean plastics, and then 15% spandex for the actual final makeup of this product, as well as being really good at wicking away moisture. So like I said, outdoor growers will love this. I would still use this as an indoor grower because, as I mentioned, whenever I'm harvesting or just trimming up my plants for a flower cycle, I'd break out in hives and it would just be a whole big pain to get rid of them. So let's go ahead and try these on. See, and this is actually the large XL. I tried to try on the small medium last time and it did not go so well. But another cool thing I like is they have all these really awesome designs. So this one is one of their skull designs. They have a cannabis leaf design, of course, and then they have a seaweed design. So these sleeves are really interesting, have a lot of cool features about them. They have this anti-slide rubber ring up here, so it's nice and tight on your bicep, so it's not gonna slide down while you're working. The polyester and the spandex blend is really great because it has nice stretching on here, 4-way stretch. And then this thumb hole, it sounds weird, but I geek out on this because it just reminds me of the old handcuff sweaters I really wanted when I was a kid. But also it's just really convenient because I just see myself, trimming away or, plucking, leaves off of my plants before they're going to be harvested or anything like that. And it's just nice and ergonomical, very comfortable. And, it's hot up here where we're filming right now. And this is actually cooling off my arms a little bit. It's wicking away moisture, thankfully. So we do have a limited stock in store here at Monster Gardens, but you can buy all of these at farmersdefense.com. You can buy the various sizes, there's different styles. This one is the skull/green. This one is their camo, their leaf camo. And then this one's interesting because this is their seaweed of their art collection, which was made by a local Santa Cruz artist and muralist, Taylor Reinhold. And they do have a couple of other styles from various artists. But it's pretty cool that they brought in as local artists to, try to drum up new designs. Yeah, all of these are available at farmersdefense.com, or feel free to stop by our Sonoma County location. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for us, and if you have any products that you'd like us to feature on Grow Closet, go ahead and comment down below.